Alright, these are the Venn diagrams with 3 events, and this is the one you sent me a question on. I'm going to go ahead and draw my space here, my sample space. I have my 3 circles, and this is C, B, and A. So the question here wants not in C, or not in A, or in B. When you have the or, that means all of them are going to be part of your answer. So if I'm shading the not in C, I'm shading everything but the C circle. So if I go ahead and shade everything but the C circle, I would have everything but the C circle shaded, and that'd be the first part. Or I'm going to add everything that is not in A. Well, if I'm doing everything not in A, again, I'm doing everything but the A circle. So if I would shade everything but the A circle, it's going to include that section of the C circle that is not part of the A circle. Then if I'm doing the or B, if I'm doing the B, I'm doing everything inside the B circle. And so now I'm shading all of this that's inside the B circle. The only thing I have left is this little tiny section here that was not in C, not in A, or in B. If I go ahead and look at a different one here, alright, so if I draw my sample space, and again we have C and B and A. B is here this time, C is here, and A is here. On this one it says we want not in B, or in A, or in C. So I'm going to shade everything that's not in B again, which is this whole spot here, everything other than the B circle. Or in A, that means now I'm going to include everything in A, so now I'm shading that whole A circle. And then or in C, which means I'm shading everything in the C circle. So now the only thing that we have left is the part in B that wasn't in the A and wasn't in the C. See if I can find any and ones instead of or ones. Look at a couple more here that you have on your pie chart. Here's an and one. So on this one here, if I draw my sample space and my 3 circles, I've got B, A, and C. This one we are doing not in C and not in A and not in B. So we have to have the part that is included in between all 3 of these. So if I'm looking at this, I want the stuff that's not in C. So if it's not in C, it would be the whole entire thing other than the C. But it also has to be not in A. So if I'm doing not in A, I'm doing everything but the A circle. Then I'm doing and not in B, so everything that's not in the B circle. So it can't be in this circle, it can't be in this circle, can't be in this circle, which means it's everything on the outside, because it can't be in C, it can't be in A, and it can't be in B, so that just leaves the outside of those shapes.